Off-Grid Lotus, Off-Grid Caravan, Adventure without compromise. The Lotus Off-Grid Caravan is engineered for those who thrive off the beaten path. Whether navigating rugged landscapes or remote outback routes, this hybrid-built caravan is designed to endure. It features a tough aluminum frame, front, rear, and roof, reinforced timber walls, and marine-grade composite panels. With 4 solar panels, advanced battery systems, a dust reduction system, and generous water storage, it's fully equipped for extended off-grid living. Inside, enjoy modern furnishings, top-tier appliances, reverse-cycle climate control, and a fusion entertainment system. Choose from 14 ergonomic floor plans and personalize your space with a wide selection of finishes, including premium benchtops, flooring, and cabinetry. The Lotus Off-Grid isn't just a caravan, it's a luxurious home on wheels. HGV Helios 26-ton Horsebox. HGV Helios 26-ton Horsebox. Premium design meets functionality. Part of the distinguished Helios HGV range, 10 to 26 tons, the Helios 26-ton Horsebox exemplifies craftsmanship and durability. Each vehicle is custom-built to the highest standards, offering a blend of striking aesthetics and functional excellence. Its signature curved roof and sleek gluten pod design deliver an internal height of 2.59 meters, 8 feet 6 inches, ensuring maximum comfort for your horses. With options for up to 3 slide-outs and lengths up to 12 meters, it's tailored for serious transport needs. Payloads range from 4 tons to 12.5 tons, depending on the chassis. Crafted with stainless steel for lasting performance, the Helios Horsebox also includes a 2-year warranty and 24/7 customer support, giving you peace of mind with every journey. Cyberland Reveal Cyberland, the Tesla Cybertruck reimagined. The Cyberland Reveal introduced a groundbreaking concept, a fully integrated living system for the Tesla Cybertruck. Designed to fit seamlessly into the truck bed, the unit includes a kitchen, living area, bedroom, bathroom, and office, all of which retract neatly under the tonneau cover when not in use. This innovation offers an ideal solution for both urban nomads and wilderness explorers. When stowed, the Cyberland maintains the Cybertruck's low center of gravity, aerodynamic efficiency, and full range capability, blending adventure with smart design. Van to boat conversion. Turning a van into a boat, the ultimate DIY adventure. Get ready to embark on an extraordinary transformation as we convert a van into a fully functional boat. This ambitious build involves modifying the suspension system for buoyancy and outfitting it with essential safety gear, including life jackets and navigation lights. Stay tuned as we bring this one-of-a-kind project to life, merging road and water into one thrilling ride. This ambitious build involves modifying the suspension system for buoyancy and outfitting it with essential safety gear, including life jackets and navigation lights. Van to boat conversion. Turning a van into a boat, the ultimate DIY adventure. Get ready to embark on an extraordinary transformation as we convert a van into a fully functional boat. Stove in heavy snow. Warmth in the storm, the comfort of a winter stove. As snow blankets the landscape in quiet white, the flicker of a stove becomes more than just a source of heat. It's a refuge. Inside, the crackling fire stands in sharp contrast to the bitter cold outside, offering both physical warmth and emotional comfort. A steady flame becomes a symbol of resilience, transforming even the harshest winter into a moment of peace and home. As snow blankets the landscape in quiet white, the flicker of a stove becomes more than just a source of heat. It's a refuge. Stove in heavy snow. Warmth in the storm, the comfort of